Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting the trident into your hands and preparing the environment. First, make sure you have a channeling enchantment available, either an enchanted book or an anvil-ready trident, because channeling is how lightning attaches to the thrown trident. Once done, force or wait for a thunderstorm. You can summon a storm with commands if allowed. Make a safe platform over open ground so mobs won't interfere, and place a lightning rod nearby to control stray strikes before you throw. You now apply channeling to the trident using an anvil. Place the trident and the enchanted book, confirm the cost, and take the channeling trident. Next, position yourself on elevated, unobstructed ground so the thrown trident has a clear line to the sky. Make sure there are no large bodies of water between you and the target because lightning behavior changes on water. Then choose a target, a mob or marked spot, and prepare to throw the trident during active thunder for reliable strikes. You finish by throwing the channeling trident at the intended target while thunder is active. On impact, the game will summon lightning, electrifying the trident. Once the strike occurs, retrieve the trident if you want to reuse it. Make sure it didn't fall into lava or water. If it fails, check that you had a thunderstorm, channeling was applied correctly, and the target wasn't invalid, such as in water or in creative mode restrictions. As a tip, use slash weather or a lightning rod to test and repeat safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.